Hi, it's Jackie Kiadii with another quick Excel productivity tip. If we're connected on LinkedIn, you've probably already seen this tip that shows you how to copy and paste values in basically one, maybe 1.5 steps. Because it looks complicated, I wanted to show you how quick and easy it is when you're actually doing it. So here's what we have. We have two columns of names. The first column is the way we receive the names. The second column is what it looks like after we've cleaned them up using the trim function. So now that I've used the trim function, clean them up, I no longer need the cells that contain my function. I just want to take those names and get them over to column A. This is how you do it. First, you make your selection, and then you move your mouse to the border until it turns into a four-headed arrow. So if your mouse looks like this, sort of like a white cross, you're in the wrong spot. Move it to the border, four-headed arrow. Next, you will click and drag to the new position, but instead of holding down your left mouse button while you click and drag, you're going to hold down your right mouse button. And that's what makes all the difference. So here we go. Get it over here, release it, and then you see the third item from the top says copy here as values only. Go ahead and left click on that, and voila. You've copied your information over, but you've copied it without the formulas. And you can double check. No formulas here, formulas here. So at this point, if I want to, I can just get rid of this second column because I no longer need it again. And I have all of my text nice and clean. I hope you found this helpful. If you are going to use it, I would appreciate you making a comment. Just let me know you found it helpful and let me know how you're going to use this tip. Have a great day.